So you guys, let's get into this LA biz. So the first thing I had to do when I touched down was to go see an old friend I met a couple of years ago in Georgia, who is one of the founders of Alexandria House Shelter for Women and Children. I absolutely love what she is doing here and had to show my face. I also want to thank Justin Bieber and Quavo for filming and dedicating their intention song to this cause. I love the support that's given to single mothers here, so make sure you go and check out the video. Okay, let's get into some things. First, let me just say, LA is so freaking beautiful. It's really the palm trees and mountains for me. It's such a sight to see. But I had to make a quick stop at Target before starting my day and getting into these meals. I would have to say this is one of the smallest Targets I've ever seen in my life. I just couldn't believe it. I am about to go to Health Nut. I'm probably gonna get a salad, of course. I'm excited. Can we say bomb.com? I love all of the raw food options on the menu. I had to check out the juices considering the fact that I left my juicer lid home, but I'm not complaining because their juices were pretty good. All of them were a little bitter, but in a good, tasty way. Anyway, I decided to go with a raw vegan Caesar salad and a veggie wrap before heading next door to Bristol Farms. Bingo, that's where I purchased my juices for the week, and they are in glass jars, so you know I'm taking these back to Georgia with me. Now let me just point out that the mangoes are like no other. I do have a bit of an allergic reaction to mangoes, but baby, I am overcoming it. These mangoes are so freaking good, and they came through with the fruit bar. Okay, so my daughter insisted on getting a cup. Now these prices are something else, but we'll talk about that a little later. We're going shopping. Okay, so I'm not going to finesse you like that. We didn't go on no shopping spree, but we did stop on the corner to get some fruit. When I tell you fruit is primarily what we ate since we've been here, I kid you not. That wasn't even my expectation, which is the crazy part. But hey, when I tell you I'm their #1 customer right now, every time I turn around, I'm pulling over for some fruit. Like, hey, it's me again and again and again. If I lived here, I would be on the struggle bus, because for me to simply walk the block for some fruit would be insanely convenient. My body was just not trying to adjust to the time difference, and I was so sleepy and tired by 6 p.m. I absolutely hated it, so I grabbed a meal at the house and we were both in bed by 7:30 p.m. Good morning, breakfast is ready, and I am heading to the Grove to get an adapter for my computer. On my way, I noticed this on the back of a truck. If I lived here, I would have definitely given them a call. But anyway, I love the Grove. We decided to stop at Prest, and I got my daughter an acai bowl, and I decided to get a juice. We walked around a little before heading to Apple, which was pretty cool, by the way, with the mirror on the ceiling. I would definitely hang here. This right here is a cucumber, pineapple, and cactus juice. I never had cactus juice before, and this was pretty good. Now this right here, I don't know what to call it, but I will forever come here for this whenever I'm in LA, because I couldn't believe this was on the menu. It's a must-have. I literally sat and ate this entire pineapple smoothie, fruit bowl, or whatever you want to call it. Hello, Santa Monica. This is the only beach I've been to since I've been here, and I'm already calling it my favorite. If you're from California, please be patient with me on this trip, because I know you know the real, and I'm just visiting, but I love it here, honestly. My experience has been amazing. The fruit on the beach was the icing on the cake. I lived 45 minutes from Myrtle Beach growing up, and I never experienced this. You could come here empty-handed and leave with everything. They were selling towels, toys, blankets, you name it, they had it. I felt like I truly belonged, and that's rare when I go on trips. Unfortunately, I never made it to Crossroads or Wild Lemon Foods, but I have a little bit more time here, so I'm going to try to make it. But if I don't, trust me when I say I'm coming back. Next time, I want to plan a meetup at one of the raw vegan restaurants so that I can meet some of you guys who are from California. So So we are back from Santa Monica Beach Pier. I think that's the name of it. But we had so much fun. As you can see, my hair looks crazy. The wind, oh my God. I didn't get in the water because for me it was cold, but I'm so glad Aubrey had fun and I just enjoyed myself, you know, laying by the beach, because I needed that, like, really bad. But it's a few things I want to talk about because I've been here 3 days so far, and one of the things that I heard the most about was the homelessness in LA. And when I tell you I have not seen it yet, like, I don't know if it's because of the area I'm in, I'm unsure, but I'm actually in LA and I haven't seen a homeless person yet. Like, I don't know, it's weird because I see the videos online and maybe I'm missing something. I went to Calabasas, I was in, you know, Beverly Hills, you know, in LA, because that's where I'm staying. I didn't see it at all. Like, I went to the Grove, which is very nice. I love the Grove. I went to a few places and I just did not see it. It's a very beautiful place. Someone told me that, you know, a lot of people who come here for the scenery of LA, they're gonna be disappointed because it's not beautiful, it's not the glitz and glam. Baby, it is for me. Like, it's beautiful here. Like, I think you have to go to certain areas to see it, but obviously that's the case because I haven't seen a homeless person yet. But that's besides the point. It's beautiful here. I love the food, and let me tell you this, the mangoes are unmatched compared to Georgia. Like, when I tell you the mangoes are so freaking tasty, like, the taste is totally different. You don't even have to prep your food here, really, because every corner someone is selling fruit. And I wish in Georgia we had that, but no, we don't have that at all, unfortunately. But I love that every corner, like, you can pick up some fruit. I love that. One of the things that I noticed is that, like, if you're going to the beach and let's say you forgot your towel or the toys for your kids, they have people at the beach that are like selling them. It's just like easily accessible here, and you don't really experience that in like other states. I feel like, I mean, I could be wrong, but I just feel like LA is just a different experience, and I would definitely move here to LA because I was a little hesitant, you know, with all of the feedback that I got. But this is a beautiful place. I do agree that it's expensive, especially the grocery stores, depending on the area, because I feel like you're really paying for the area and not the food, the quality of the food in itself. I think that's insane because one of the grocery stores, which is called Bristol, I think, it's just overpriced for no reason. Like, I do love that they offer like a fruit buffet. I do love that they have fresh juice available, but the quality of the fruit is really no different than any other grocery store. Like, I didn't really see the difference. You're really just paying for the location, and unfortunately that's how it is these days. You're not really paying for the quality, you're paying for the location where the grocery store is or the farmer's market is. So that sucks. But other than that, like, I'm excited. I love it. We do have Disneyland on our agenda tomorrow, and I'm excited about that because I haven't been since I was a kid. So this is about to be lit. Well, not Disneyland, it was Disney World, but you know, it's the same. It's not really the same, but you get what I'm saying. Aubrey never been, so I know she's gonna love it, and you know, we're just gonna have fun. So make sure you stay tuned in because there's so much more to come. I'm just like going everywhere I possibly can to really just like get the feel of the raw experience in LA. I love everything about LA. It's just freaking amazing. So make sure you stay tuned in, and I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.